All right, hello, welcome to this video where we're going to talk about the strategy for upsell kind of thing, right? So how do you want to approach the upsell? So mainly this is really simple. This is a sales funnel, right? We have the order page and you have the thank you page. So the standard with the standard email, we're going to send the logins for this one or the confirmation for this one, okay? Just the same thing. The only thing that changes is the second part, because after you have the first, you're going to have the upsell page right here. And then this is going to be the thank you page, okay? So basically, you add another page into the equation. How does it work? Well, in the upsell, you are selling something else, and ideally, you want the upsell to be not a different product, not as something completely different. Like for example, I'm going to teach you how to build funnels, and then I'm going to teach you how to, I don't know, like how to grow a YouTube channel, for example. It needs to be something that enhances the first offer. So for example, let's say that in the first offer, I'm going to teach you how to build funnels. Then in the second offer, I'm going to teach you how to optimize those funnels in an advanced way, or how to increase conversions for those specific funnels, right? So I go from building to then becoming better at building funnels. So that will make more sense. You can also, of course, play around and add something like services that play together. But usually what you want to make sure that, what you want to make it happen is your customer audience is interested in one thing, which is going to be becoming, knowing how to build funnels. So ideally your upsell needs to enhance that offer. And the value of that specific offer, that it needs to have a perceived value a lot higher than what you are asking for. So for example, let's say that you are going to buy a course that, realistically speaking, most people would say that it's worth like $100, right? So you say, you add it here, and now instead of the $100, they're going to get it for $50, right? Because the perceived value is twice as much, you're going to get a lot of people saying, okay, this is a catch, I'm going to get it. So for example, in SaaS programs, you're going to pay $100 a month. Now right here, you can then, do the annual, and instead of paying $1,200, right, you're just going to pay $600, like half. People are going to say, okay, this is actually worth it because I'm going to get 6 months for free. So it's really a matter of enhancing the first offer and make it a lot more valuable. But it's very important that the realistic perceived value of the first program for the target audience, for your target audience, needs to be much higher. Okay, so you do need to, that's pretty much the secret of an upsell. Now, after that, if they get the upsell, right, you send them an email for that. If they don't get, you send them to an automation where you're going to nurture and then try to sell them the upsell again, right? Another thing that you can do, of course, is then do a downsell where you're going to sell the exact same offer but with payment plans. Okay, you can do that as well, but that's a downsell kind of thing. So for the upsell, very quickly, as a summary, you have the standard funnel, order page, thank you page. You add another one, and in this one, the offer needs to be something that enhances the first one, makes it either faster or better to achieve or to obtain. And then the perceived value needs to be a lot, the perceived value needs to be a lot higher than what you are actually asking for. If they buy it, then you track it and you send an email. If they don't buy it, you send it to a special list, a special automation, where you then are going to send emails to incentivize them, to nurture them, to actually get the offer. Okay. Now, then they're going to go to the thank you page and do the exact same thing as the other one. What is the next logical step for them, right? Check the email and join the community, for example, right? There's tons of different ways. So this is how to build an upsell. And the success rate of it is going to be not just the copy, not just design, but understanding how your customer audience, reacts to your offer. How do they understand and perceive the value? And what kind of things could you add into the first offer that they already bought that would be actually a lot value, and it would increase the experience. Okay, so make sure that you do those things, and building this in Systeme IO is really simple as well. It's a matter of tracking and sending to the right automation workflows. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. Go ahead, enjoy, and practice building it on Systeme.